Hey friends, if you wish to install the Windows Media Player on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Here's the thing. First of all, we have Windows Media Player as the default media player of our computer. But for the sake of example in this video, I will uninstall it to show you how we can install it once again. Now, interestingly, earlier we could only do that through PowerShell, but that's not the case now. Now, all we need to do is search for Store in the Windows search bar and click on Microsoft Store. Wait till it loads, and then you can search for this word Media Player in the search bar. Go to Windows Media Player. Click on install. Let it install through. Okay, it will need a while. Let it install through. That's all you need to do. Just click on install and it will be a part of the Windows search menu in a while. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.